In this video, we're going to learn how to solve this JAMB commerce problems under public corporation. So guys, we're going to focus on the subtopic advantages, disadvantages, features and importance of public corporation. We have about 11 to 30 questions of practice in the video. Let's get started. The first question I have here says, in a public limited liability company, planning is carried out by our employees, the board of directors, shareholders, chairman of the board. The right answer is option B, which is the board of directors. Okay, next question is one. It says a feature common to public and private limited liability companies is that we have option A, the transfer of their shares is not restricted. The minimum number of shareholders is 5. Both can seal and be sealed. The annual accounts are published for public use. The right answer is option C, which is both can seal and be sealed. Very important. This question, this one says a major benefit derived from the privatization and commercialization of public enterprises in Nigeria is real revenue generation, employment generation, information technology, increase in wages. The right answer is option A, revenue generation. Okay, next question, this one, it says in the major disadvantage of privatization policy is that citizens would benefit less from the government will lose control of the economy, more money would be brought into circulation, the economy would be private sector led. The right answer is option B, is that government will lose control of the economy. So this is a disadvantage. This question is one, it says one of the advantages of commercialization is that it increases the salaries of workers, it gives workers on the job training, encourages entrepreneurship, motivates government to sustain more businesses. The right answer is option C, it encourages entrepreneurship. Okay, next question is one, it says the federal government made efforts at rendering public enterprises more efficient and profit oriented through the process of indigenization, commercialization, privatization, nationalization. So guys, the right answer to this question is that the federal government made efforts at rendering public enterprise more efficient and profit oriented through the process of commercialization. Option B. Next question is this one. It says which of the following is a disadvantage of nationalization? The cost of services is not determined by the market force. It may lead to rationalization of resources. It promotes poor economic planning. The development of local skills and technology is retarded. The right answer is option D. The development of local skills and technology is retarded. Okay, so that's the right answer, option D. Let's take question this one. So the answer to this question is option D. Next question, this one, it says commercialization of government corporations brings about an increase in level of competition among business operators, social responsibility, distrust among business operators, money supply in the economy. The right answer is option B, competition among business operators. Okay, next question, this one, it says the commercialization of public enterprise is aimed at we have increased assistance patronage of the enterprise by the public, advertising and promoting the goods and services of the enterprise, selling the goods and services of the enterprises, increasing efficiency and making the enterprise self-sufficient. Right answer is option D, increasing the efficiency and making the enterprise self-sufficient. Okay, next question is one, says a major advantage of a cooperative society is that it encourages thrift among members, promotes awareness among members, gives members the opportunity to unite, draws members closer to government. The right answer is option A, it encourages thrift among members. Next question is one, says a feature common to privatization and commercialization is where credit sales, profit making, market expansion, price increases. Right answer is option B, profit making. Next question, it says citizens are against privatization mainly because of the likelihood of monopoly, the rationalization of organization, the effective management, increased price of goods and services. The right answer is option D, increased price of goods and services. Okay, the last question before we end this video is one. It says the most important advantage of privatization is the enhancement of accountability, liquidity, efficiency, profitability. The right answer is option C. Okay, the enhancement of efficiency. So guys, this is basically you can do the problems involving public corporation for your JAMB commerce. So focus on the subtopic advantages, disadvantages, features and importance of public corporation for your JAMB commerce. Hope there's something interesting from this video. Let's go to the video, guys. If you are new to this channel, ensure that you subscribe to this channel by hitting the subscribe button for more of these videos. So like, share, and comment on this video. Let me know if you what I learned from the video. If you seem to have any specific question to ask regarding what I talked about in the video, feel free to leave a quick comment section below and I'll sure to give you a response. So ensure the part of the channel membership by clicking the join button. We'll be getting premium information and help you to excel in your student exams like your JAMB and other student exams you'll be writing. Because I've been on this to the next book, and I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.